Welcome all of you class. I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. Class, today I am going to explain a chapter in class 12, and the name of this chapter is The Indian Politics, Trends and Development. This is last chapter in the book India Since Independence class. And in this book class, first of all, I want to introduce you what are the new syllabus and what is the name of this chapter. This is last chapter class, Indian Politics, Trend and Development. This is the name of chapter, and what are the topics under this is, the first is era of coalition. इसमें हम लोग नेशनल फ्रंट, यूनाइटेड फ्रंट और यूपीए 1 या यूपीए यूनाइटेड प्रोग्रेसिव अलायंस का फर्स्ट और सेकंड हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे. देन आफ्टर एनडीए फर्स्ट, एनडीए 2, एनडीए 3, एनडीए 4 हमको स्टडी करना है. एंड इशू ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स एंड गवर्नेंस हमको स्टडी करना है क्लास. तो क्लास, दिस इज योर सिलेबस. Era of coalition, you know class, from 1989 to 2014. This was between these time. This era is known as era of coalition because more than 11 governments are come, and every government is a coalition government. Like first National Front government, which was come firstly in 1989. National Front, which was come in 1989. And you know, Janata Dal was a party who was come in the power on the manifesto. Even if Janata Party was come in the power, he will implement the recommendation of Mandal Commission, which was provide the 27% reservation for other backward class. And when the result of 1989, when the Congress have only 197 seat, the Congress is not able to make the government. So Congress was decided to remain in a opposition. So on that time, the Janata Dal government was make a coalition, and the name of this coalition is a National Front class. This National Front government was got the support from Bharatiya Janata Party and their President L.K. Advani, and Left Front, and the leader is Jyoti Basu. They both are supported this Janata Dal government, this National Front government from outside. They not joined this government, but they supported this. तो National Front की government 1989 में आई, and Bisnath Pratap Singh was become the Prime Minister of India. And you know, he was completed his promise, and he was imposed the recommendation of Mandal Commission to impose 27% reservation for OBC class. And you know, this government will continue work for 1 year, but after 1 year they not able to survive. So a section of this National Front government, which was supported by Congress party, and they formed the government, and Prime Minister is Chandrasekhar after the Bisnath Pratap Singh. तो Bisnath Pratap Singh के बाद Chandrasekhar was continue Prime Minister for 6 months with the support of Congress. और जो चंद्रशेखर जिस पार्टी से बिलोंग करते थे, समाजवादी जनता पार्टी, एंड कांग्रेस का सपोर्ट था, और ये समाजवादी जनता पार्टी का पार्ट नेशनल फ्रंट का ही एक तो समाजवादी जनता पार्टी which was supported Samajwadi Janata Party which was supported by the Congress was remained prime minister for 6 months, but after this Congress was take over the support, and now the Lok Sabha was dissolved, and fresh election ensure after this class in May 1991. The next election was organized. In this, Rajiv Gandhi was going in the campaign of South India, where he was assassinated by the Litte organization belong to the Tamils of Sri Lanka. And after this, sympathy for a Congress. So Congress won the election in 1991 and come in the power. But Congress come in the power, and now Rajiv Gandhi is not in the party. So Dr. Manmohan Singh as a finance minister and Dr. Manmohan Singh as a finance minister and Narasimha Rao was become the prime minister, next prime minister, and he was belong to the Congress party class. तो कांग्रेस 5 साल गवर्नमेंट बनाई. June from 1991 to 1996, Congress was make the government with the support of AIDMK and some other parties. कांग्रेस की 5 ईयर की गवर्नमेंट रही. इसके बाद क्लास नेशनल फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट गिरने के बाद जो नेक्स्ट कांग्रेस की सरकार रही वो 5 ईयर तक. देन आफ्टर ये 5 साल की गवर्नमेंट जो है उसको AIDMK और अदर पार्टीज़ का सपोर्ट था और कांग्रेस सत्ता में बनी रही एंड 5 ईयर कंप्लीट किए क्लास. फिर 1996 में अगेन इलेक्शन हुआ और 1996 की जो सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी थी वो क्लास 1996 की. तो क्लास वी आर लुकिंग की 1991 टू 1996 तक PV Narasimha Rao was the prime minister और डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. 5 ईयर कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट चली. कांग्रेस को इस सिलेक्शन में 224 सीटें मिली थी. क्लास 244 सीट्स और कांग्रेस के पास हालांकि मेजॉरिटी नहीं था, बट 224 सीटों के साथ 244 क्लास कांग्रेस को 244 सीटें मिली. We have not clear majority, but the support of AIDMK and other पार्टी के सपोर्ट से वो सत्ता में 5 ईयर तक रहा कांग्रेस कंटिन्यू. देन आफ्टर 1996 के इलेक्शन होते हैं क्लास, और जो कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट थी उस पर बहुत सारे करप्शन के चार्जेस लगते हैं. एंड दिस वाज द टाइम ऑफ सो मेनी डिस्प्यूट लाइक डिमोलिशन ऑफ राम जन्मभूमि, बाबरी मस्जिद राम जन्मभूमि केस, and Babri Masjid was demolished on 6 December 1992, and the Congress was take the very strict action. Congress party was suspend most of the state government which was under the control of BJP. Not only Uttar Pradesh but also other states. In the other state, the Congress party was suspend the BJP ruled states and president rule was imposed. And these are the some decisions. and a case was filed against the CM of Uttar Pradesh, Kalyan Singh, and this was a period when so many charges of corruptions were highlighted against the top political leaders, and you know about the Harshad Mehta, such a person. And class, this was also a time when new economic reform were introduced by the Dr. Manmohan Singh under the Prime Minister of Narasimha Rao, and liberalization, privatization, globalization was introduced in our country class. Then after this United Front in 1996 election, in 1996 election, no one got the majority in this election, and in the election of 1996 BJP become the single largest party in this election. BJP got 160 seats and Congress have 140 seats. So no one is able to form the government. So at that time the Prime Minister was used his discretionary power and invited the Bharatiya Janata Party, who have the which is the single largest party, 160 seats they have. But BJP was unable to gain the confidence motion in the parliament, so he was unable to make the government. So at such circumstances, after when the BJP was invited, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was become the Prime Minister, but he was unable to prove his confidence in the Lok Sabha. That is why, and the confidence seat is 272 seats. So it is very difficult for BJP to ensure the major confidence motion. So he was unable to earn the confidence motion in the Lok Sabha. Now the other coalition was made here. The name of this coalition is United Front Government Class. United Front Government Class, and United Front in 1996. This is a coalition government. So many parties are come together and make a coalition, and so many small parties are come together make this coalition. And H.D. Devgowda was become the next Prime Minister of this coalition. But class, कि in the coalition the position of Prime Minister was not very strong. He was many times he was doing compromise. He was negotiated to the members of coalition, and the condition of Prime Minister was not very bold in the coalition government. So H.D. Devgowda. So our next Prime Minister is H.D. Devgowda. He was continuing the Prime Minister from June 1996 to April 1997, and ultimately there is a dispute, there is a misunderstanding among the party members, so it will decide it कि they choose a new Prime Minister. जो कोलिशन था उसमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं बन पा रही थी, तो नाउ एच डी देवगौड़ा वॉज नॉट वो जो प्राइम मिनिस्टरशिप की जो यूनियन फ्रंट गवर्नमेंट बनी, इसको कांग्रेस का सपोर्ट था क्लास। ये किसका सपोर्ट था? कांग्रेस का। जो यूनाइटेड फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट थी क्लास, उसको कांग्रेस का सपोर्ट रहा। एंड जब एच डी देवगौड़ा प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे तो ड्यू टू डिस्प्यूट्स जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की को चेंज किया गया। एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो थे वो आई के गुजराल वॉज द नेक्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर। बट द गवर्नमेंट यूनाइटेड फ्रंट गवर्नमेंट वॉज नॉट कंटिन्यू वर्क, आगे बहुत लंबे समय तक काम नहीं कर पाई, बिकॉज देयर वॉज अ रिपोर्ट ऑफ इंक्वायरी ऑफ राजीव गांधी वॉज कम कि राजीव गांधी के मर्डर में एक पार्टी पे जो है संदेह था, सस्पिशियस थी उसके ऊपर। हालांकि अभी कोई रिपोर्ट कंफर्म नहीं था, बस सस्पिशियस थी रिपोर्ट में कि साउथ इंडिया की कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन्वॉल्व है। तो कांग्रेस ने यूनाइटेड फ्रंट गवर्नमेंट से कहा कि उस पार्टी को सरकार से निकाल दिया जाए, बट यूनाइटेड फ्रंट का जो कोalition था वो इसके लिए तैयार नहीं हुआ। तो ऑन दैट टाइम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस वॉज सीताराम केसरी। ही वॉज डिसाइडेड कि अगर उस पार्टी को नहीं निकाला गया तो हम सरकार को समर्थन वापस ले लेंगे। देन आफ्टर दिस आई के गुजराल नहीं माने और अल्टीमेटली कांग्रेस ने समर्थन वापस ले लिया क्लास, और यूनाइटेड फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन में आ गई। देन लोकसभा डिसॉल्व एंड नाउ द फ्रेश इलेक्शन वाज इनवाइटेड इन 1998। तो वी आर लुकिंग कि जो 1996 से 1998 का जो पीरियड था उसमें 2 ईयर में 3 प्राइम मिनिस्टर चेंज हुए। तो इट इज़ वेरी बैड कि वी आर लुकिंग कि कोalition was not provide a stable government class. So now next thing, class the next thing is next coalition government is after this is Bharatiya Janata Party. In the election of 1998 Bharatiya Janata Party was got the majority, and in this 1998 election Bharatiya Janata Party got 182 seat. In the election of 1998 Bharatiya Janata Party BJP got 182 seat, and BJP is the largest single party. And now at that time Bharatiya Janata Party was making a coalition, and the name of this coalition is NDA, National Democratic Alliance government class. And now Bharatiya Janata Party was able to ensure a confidence motion in the Lok Sabha में प्रूफ किया, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास हालांकि 182 सीटें थी, बट ही वॉज जो नेशनल डेमोक्रेटिक अलायंस था उसके जो बहुत सारे सहयोगी थे, जैसे कि फ्रॉम पंजाब ही गॉट द सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अकाली दल, फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र ही सपोर्ट द शिवसेना। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे जो सपोर्ट थे उनके बल पे कांग्रेस भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने सरकार बनाई क्लास। एंड अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी वॉज बिकम द नेक्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम मार्च 1998 टू अक्टूबर 99। First term is for March 1998 to March 1998 to October 1989. October 1999. तो एनडीए वन is the government for BJP led coalition, and the name of this coalition is National Democratic Alliance. It was work continue 13 months, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a prime minister, and this is a coalition, and now it was also going in a difficult situation. So the next government, after 13 months, government, this coalition was again going in a no confidence, and next time fresh election again invited in the country, and this election the Indian government come in a power again May 1999, and this is known as NDA 2. This was again come in a power May 1999 class. Again he was October 99 to मई 2004. So this is NDA 2 class. NDA की second government की class from October 99 to मई 2004 के बीच में class. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee was become the prime minister. Class no. This was the era, and now BJP was complete this 5-year tenure, and again fresh election was introduced in 2004 class. In 2004, a fresh election was organized in the country, and now BJP was lost the election. This election in 1998. In 2004, the election result is Bharatiya Janata Party got only 138 seats, and Congress improved their position. Congress got 145 seats. So in 2004, Congress got 145 seats, and BJP is 138. There is a small difference, but Congress was here making a coalition, United Progressive Alliance, UPA first. This was known as UPA first, and Dr. Manmohan Singh was become the prime minister in this coalition, United Progressive Alliance. Congress have only 145 seat class. But this coalition was come to class from 1989 to 2014. This 25 year is known as the era of coalition, जिसमें सबसे पहले नेशनल फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट 1989 में बनी. देन आफ्टर 1996 में यूनाइटेड फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट बनी. नेशनल फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट को जहां बीजेपी ने सपोर्ट किया, वहीं यूनाइटेड फ्रंट की गवर्नमेंट को कांग्रेस सपोर्ट कर रही थी. देन आफ्टर दिस 1998 में बीजेपी का एनडीए नेशनल डेमोक्रेटिक अलायंस था, एनडीए 1 और एनडीए 2. रूल किया। देन आफ्टर कांग्रेस ने भी अपना एक कोलिशन बनाया, यूनाइटेड प्रोग्रेसिव अलायंस, फर्स्ट 2004 से 2009 2009 एंड फिर 2009 टू 2014 यूपीए 2 यूनाइटेड प्रोग्रेसिव 2 रही।